This morning we're filming with the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra and we're going to have a look at the flooding around the area in the rice paddies. So we're going to go off on our sailing here, our Honda motorbike with sidecar, here it is here, and we're off to inspect the floods and see what's happening around the rice paddies. The shadow will get to the flood before we do. So it's shoes off time for a walk and wade through the floods. So now we've got the multimodal AI tracking turned on, following me perfectly so I can move around and make sure I continue to be right in the frame as we're looking at the action. And as you can see, we've got pretty heavy water flow. It's a beautiful sight on a beautiful morning. Handled beautifully when we're using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra combined with the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra Gimbal. The perfect combination. And we've got bikes with dogs going through the floods. We've got people walking. Saudi Gap. We've got sailings driving. The fantastic AI multimodal tracking follows me perfectly when using the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra Gimbal. The perfect companion when you're out solo content creating. Wherever you move your gimbal, the camera follows you perfectly. And we're back into our village, and alongside the village reservoir. Bumpy roads don't affect the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. It handles bumpy roads with ease. And here we are, back to home after our little excursion into the rice paddies.